Hey, Mark Nelson, I just wanted to share with you, look what I just got in the mail. I was going to wait till I got home, but I was way too excited. Man, this was huge for me because let me tell you, I had so many limiting beliefs about this. I had another thing going on, so I didn't have time. Man, and I started thinking, well, who the one funnel away? I'm talking about 2 Comma Club. Well, who would ever, I don't have enough value. And then I started thinking, shoot, I am too old. Who would even think of doing this? See, I had this dude on my shoulder telling me all these limiting beliefs, and I bought into it. I wasn't going to do it. I wasn't going to do this challenge. And then all of a sudden I started getting some different thoughts. Like, holy cow. You have value and people are waiting to hear from you. I am good up old. I am just a youngster. People are waiting to hear from me. So I put in my $100. And I'm so excited, but to tell you the truth, I'm kind of nervous. But so here goes. Oop, I got to turn it upside down, it looks like. And see what we got going here. And, oh, I put it the wrong way. And of course, it's got, how would you like to earn $100 every time someone joins the One Funnel Away Challenge? And I got to do something different. I got to put my cheaters on because I've lived a great life. And all it does is talking about, imagine if you help 5 people join the challenge, or 10 or 20. That is so cool. And it talks about 2 ways you can earn money with the One Funnel Away Challenge. Ah! I am so jacked. I'm not going to read that whole thing with you. Maybe I'll do something else about this. But let's get at this. Okay, here we go. One Funnel Away Challenge. Looks like a piece of jewelry. Here it is. Maybe it's something I give. Oh. It's an MP3 player. Oh, I think what's on this are audios of people who have been successful in this. I believe that's what it is. Ah! I am so jacked. There's one thing, and then I got some in another package that is, shoot, I'm just spilling. They put this stuff in here. It's not going to be all over my car. My wife's going to go, what the crap? Whoo! And what do I get here? Oh, it's $100 bill, right, for referring people of One Funnel Away Challenge. And Russell's picture's on there. My picture should be on there. And it talks about, want to earn a real one of these? Doggone stinking right, I want to earn a real one of these. And this is the book. You suddenly lose everything. 30 days of everything that can go on here. Oh, man, I do need my glasses because the print's too small for me to read that. Oh, man, and I'm already involved in this because I got started a little late. So this came, it's after the first week. Ah, I am so jacked. Oh, I am so jacked. Now, whoop, I put that on the thing that all fell down. Oh, I'll grab it later. What else do I got in here? I have 2 Comma Club coaching. See that? 2 Comma Club. That's what was throwing me off because there was no way. I don't know. I don't, but I'm dreaming about it. It's my dream. I do have, this dude's talking to me big time right now because I can become a member of the 2 Comma Club. That is stinking away. Now, oh, my challenge workbook, and that's cool because I didn't have a printer for the, oh, look at all this stuff. Oh, man, I am so jacked because I am going to do this. If I got anything else there, that's it. You should see my car. I got stuff all over. So, MP3 player. I'll listen to it today. My workbook, I've dropped it all on the floor, so I got to pick it back up. Up. Here we go. Do you want to earn one of these? One Funnel Away Challenge. Y'all take care. If you want to learn more about how you can get on this, there you go. Y'all take care. We'll talk again soon. Mark Nelson, One Funnel Away Challenge, 2 Comma Club. Who would like to join me?